Hello, advisory. This is how you are going to access Canvas to get to your classes and advisory. So first of all, go ahead and go to Salem Kaiser School District. Then you are going to go to Students. You're going to go to Student Login Portals, click it, and this will give you access to all of your applications you can access through Salem Kaiser. But you are just looking for Canvas, which is your first icon right here. Click it, and it will take you to your dashboard. Yours is going to look a little bit different than my teacher view, but it will be similar for yours in your student view. So you're going to look for Advisory Sweeney or whatever class you are going to. So here's Advisory. You're going to open it up, and you will see that there are three main icons: Modules, Zoom, and About. About is just how to get a hold of me or your other teachers. So it has their contact information and office hours. If you click Modules, this is where all your assignments, things your teachers want you to see, are housed. Then when it is time to meet in your class meeting, you're going to click Zoom. It will take you to your meeting place. You will need to access this with your Google login, and then your teacher will admit you to your Zoom meeting. Hopefully this helped. If not, please go ahead and contact me.